guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am replanting my pumpkins. Since this is a big bag, we're going to need a helper.
Alright.
Lily, you want to help too?
Alright.
Like halfway to the top when you're repotting pumpkins.
Alright, there you go.
You could use gloves or no gloves. It doesn't really matter. Hey! Okay, there we go. Now, we make a little hole in the center. Like
Awesome.
that. And now, use a little squeezing technique.
Squeeze with the shimmy.
There we go. Then we push this in. Like that.
So we're moving the dirt back around the hole.
Make sure you carefully do it.
Alright, beautiful.
Okay.
And
Could
let's
use a
water.
little bit more on that side, right?
Oh, I think it looks great. I think it looks perfect. Now we can just water it.
Okay, let's. You could use something big because this will take a full. I think this is over
2
a
quarts?
gallon.
2 quarts.
2 quarts of water. So let's pour it in and make sure you go around like that. And there. We got all that done.
And since this is our first time putting any water in there, we'll probably refill it again and put the same amount, another 2 quarts, so a total of 4 quarts. So we'll go ahead and we'll fill it up some more. And Sarai, did you want to give an update on the one that we did 2 days ago?
Yep, let's go ahead and bring you guys over here. They have been doing super good. They gotten bigger. And they're almost to the stage of growing. And if you have some water in this little pouch here, or you don't have to have a pouch, but if there's water in the drown place, you don't have to water them for like a day because there's water in there, and it will keep the soil moisturized for the next time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Bye.